We'll guide you through how to turn on announced calls on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Calls being announced is extremely convenient, as then you can go and know who's calling and you don't have to go and look at your phone screen. For example, if you're driving, you're doing something else, it just says you don't have to go and look. And you can then decide if you want to go and answer the call or not perhaps, or know the importance of it. So to go and get started with this, I'm just going to show you what it's going to be like. So I'm going to go and get an incoming call, as you can hear.
Rob Tucker.
And as you can hear there, it goes and announces the name there. So to go and set this up, it's much easier than you probably think, and we can go and do those settings now. Make sure it's full video, as there's a few key things you need to know about. So to get started, go and open up the settings like so. Now you want to go and scroll down and find the option for apps, and you can tap there. In apps, you want to go and scroll down, and we're looking for phone, which is going to come under P. As you can see, there it is there. Go and tap on it. Now, what you need to do is you need to go and look in the section. It should be on the initial part. You don't need to scroll down much. And you want to go and find the option for announce calls. Now, do keep watching as there's more to it. So you want to go and tap here. We've got these different options. So I like mine set to always, so it's always announced. But if you just want it for when you're headphones or your car, you could go and have that there. So these are really useful, as you may not want it if you're not in your car or using headphones, but I do. So go and set that to always. Now it's important to note this isn't going to go and work if your phone is in silent mode or the ringer is turned off. So you can go and change this setting by you drag down in the top right on the battery like so, and you're going to find this bell icon. So if you have that highlighted, it's going to go and say silent mode's on. This means the call is not going to be announced. So what you need to do is go and have that turned off like so. You can also go and change that by tapping and holding on the ringer button just above the volume, and you can turn the ringer on or off or silent mode on or off. So make sure that it's set like that. Now you're going to go and find when you go and get a call, I'll go and get one now, that it's then going to go
Rob Tucker.
and get announced, as you can hear there. So it's that simple. Now I'm just going to stop the call and that's it. You've now gone to set it up. So if you found this useful and want to see more useful guides like this, covering a wide range of different iPhone topics, amongst many other things from software to games to everything in between, then consider subscribing and liking the video, and feel free to go and check out the channel. Put any suggestions or comments down below as well, we really appreciate it. If you've got a problem, somebody will hopefully be able to get back to you if we aren't able to.